guys, it's me, Chris. I'm coming to you today with some math. I just wanted to share with you some type of math you could be reviewing if you're thinking about nursing or you're just starting out, just to be more prepared. First thing is going to be fractions. You're going to need to know how to convert a fraction into a decimal, and a decimal into a fraction. And this will be a good example. I don't know if you can see this or not, but this is a Coumadin label. And right there in the corner, gosh, you can't see it. It says 2.5 milligrams. So you're going to need to be able to convert that. You know what I'm saying? Or know what does 2.5 milligrams look like. Another thing that is important to know is Celsius and Fahrenheit. For Celsius and Fahrenheit, is like they work backwards. For Celsius, if you're trying to find the Celsius of something, I just did it on my study guide. That's why I'm trying to get it for you. To convert Celsius, you're going to do, if you're going to do it to Fahrenheit, you want to multiply whatever that number is by 9 and divide by 5, then add 32. But if you want to change Fahrenheit to Celsius, then you want to subtract 32, then multiply by 5 and divide by 9. What I mean is, here we have an example of 34 degrees Celsius. So what I did was I multiplied by 9 divided by 5 plus 32, and I came up with 93.2 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? Then when I wanted to do the Fahrenheit to Celsius, I did 93.2 degrees Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5 divided by 9, and it gave me 34 degrees Fahrenheit. If you want me to work more problems like that, just let me know. Those are fairly simple, but, you know, maybe it may take a few times to figure it out. I don't know. You're also going to want to know how to convert the conversions that just are already there. You know what I'm saying? You want to know, like kilograms to grams, kilograms to pounds, stuff like that. You want to know how to do ratios, okay, because that's going to be important. You're going to want to know how to tell military time. Military time is important in nursing. That's how you do your documentation. You don't want to be saying 6 o'clock a.m. You want to say 06 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? 0600 rather. And last, I'm trying to show you want to be able to read a label. See, you need to know what that label is asking you, what information is given to you in the label. Sometimes when working on math problems, everything you need is in that label already. So you can start looking over labels. And the last thing that you will be surprised that is hard to people. Hold on, let me find it. If I could just find it. Oh, here. A syringe. You want to know where to stop, because some people want to go before and after. You need to know when you're drawing up medications, it's better to draw up a little bit more and not too much more, but maybe just the next line. See, like here, you will go to the next line, and then you can waste that little piece of medication and give the right amount. You don't want to go under. The doctors have been in school for 20 or more years. They've been that way for a reason. When they write out what that medication should be drawn up, the amount that should be drawn up in a syringe, is for a reason. So you want to give them that amount. On the other hand, doctors have been in school for 20 years. They could make a mistake, so you got to be able to say, is this safe or is it unsafe? You know, because sometimes it can be tired. They may have been working 16 hours. So just keep these things in mind as you study. The name of this book is Calculate with Confidence. It's by Deborah Gray Morse. This is the 5th edition. Okay? So it's a good book to practice. If you're in the LPN program, they use, well, the one in Mississippi uses this book. And if you're in the RN program, we both use the same book. So, yeah, good book. Peace.